Hello everybody, are you tired of waiting for water to boil? The OVENTE electric kettle is here to change the game. With its fast heating 1.8-liter capacity, BPA-free safety, and sleek design, it's perfect for your favorite hot drinks. Say hello to the Pronto Fill lid, easy pouring, and built-in safety features like auto shut-off. At just $20.78 on Amazon, with over 52,000 glowing reviews, it's the upgrade your kitchen deserves. Ready for faster, tastier mornings? Click now to learn more. Fast and stylish hot water with OVENTE electric kettle. Imagine boiling water faster than ever. The OVENTE electric kettle delivers convenience with its fast heating 1.8-liter capacity. BPA-free material ensures safety, while a sleek black design adds elegance to your kitchen. A perfect pick for tea, coffee, and anything hot water-based. Meet the innovative Pronto Fill lid. Refill your kettle without fuss. Built for safety, it includes features like auto shut-off and boil-dry protection, giving you peace of mind. The stainless steel concealed heating element minimizes mineral buildup, keeping maintenance simple and quick. A viewing window helps monitor water levels, and the cordless base ensures easy pouring. The red indicator light tells you when heating starts and stops. No more guesswork. Its removable spout filter guarantees clean, debris-free water every time. Priced at just $20.78 on Amazon, this 4.5-star rated kettle is a must-have kitchen upgrade. Backed by